I am amazed when people tell me, you know what, I'm looking at your Facebook, Carmi, I got so tired. How can you have that energy? And then one will ask me also, what's your secret? How can you do that? And I still play with my grandson when I go home. So after work. So I remember you, Miss Diana, you told me living life with exuberance. I
Mm.
picked that up from you. So and health is about the ability to make things that you need to do or you want to do in life. So and I'm just exercising. I'm just thanking God for being healthy, and that's just what I'm doing. Celebrating life on a day to day. Um, we do not know until when we are, but on a day to day, it's a gift, it's a blessing. So I just enjoy life. Kulang pa ngayon because I also cook.